Hello friends and welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, today I will talk about XIGMATEK Connect Pro 360. Is a 7-inch display with AIO water cooling. So friends, XIGMATEK has announced the Connect Pro 360, a closed-loop water cooling system that stands out with integrated 7-inch LCD screen directly into the pump head. And this screen has a 1280 into 800 pixel resolution, which is larger than most smartphone on the market and making it useful as a secondary display for the PC, and it connects via USB Type-C port and can be detachable and rotatable depending on how you want to mount it. Behind the display there is a RGB lighting zone which adds customizable lighting effect, and if you want to use just the pump head without the screen, you can swap its metal decorative plate, and the pump is controlled through PWM and operate between 800 to 2500 revolution per minute, and it produces noise level up to 30 decibel, and which is relatable quiet for a liquid cooling pump. And this pump push coolant 380 long water tube to 27 thick aluminum radiator, and the radiator size thickness are standard for many 360 all-in-one coolers and should handle typical CPU heat draw efficiency. And to move air through the radiator, the Connect Pro 360 use 3120 ARGB PWM fans is 25 thick, and this fan feature hydraulic bearing which help prolong their lifespan, and they can spin anywhere from 600 to 2000 rpm, delivering up to 82.8 cubic feet per meter to airflow and 2.78 mmH₂O of static pressure. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.